Hello. In this video, we're going to go over how to add and manage people to the virtual minute book or the legal kiosk. Now, after you log in, all you have to do is click on this little padlock icon here, and now you'll see we are in admin management. We click on user access, and you'll see we have a list of people that have already been added to our legal kiosk, as well as the files that have been created and documents that have already been uploaded as well. Now, to add a new person, all we have to do is click on Add User, enter in the email, select a user type. Now, an individual is anyone who is not associated with your law firm or your company, so they don't work with you. As an individual, there is only one level of access, and that is client. A client cannot make any changes at all to a minute book. They can only look at the documents or download the documents. As a law firm employee, there are two access levels. Again, read only. They can only look at the minute books that have been created and look at the documents or download the documents, or administrators. Administrators can do anything in the program. They can upload documents, they can create or add new minute books, add new users, delete people, all of that sort of thing. Now, the existing user or selecting a contact, that is actually being held in reserve for a future feature. So you don't have to worry about that at this point in time. All we have to do now is click Add New User, and you'll see we got that green confirmation. Now you'll see on our list of people, there are our pending registrations. Now, an email has been sent to this new person, and it just looks like this. And again, all they're going to have to do is click on the red button and create their username, password, and agree to the terms of service. If they do not do this within 7 days, then the label will be registration expired. And as we click in, we have the option of removing the pending registration, or we can resend the registration. Now, for law firm employees, they are automatically granted access to all files in Legal Kiosk. However, if there's an ethical wall and for some reason they are not allowed access to a particular record, all you have to do is highlight it and move it over into the restricted files area. Clients, or people outside of the law firm, are automatically denied access or restricted access to all records in Emergent or in the virtual minute book, and they have to be granted specific access to a record. You can also come into the Files section here and select. By clicking on Users, you can again grant or deny specific access to that record. The further access, you can actually click on a particular file, and the same thing. You will then be able to grant or deny access. And this is handy if, for example, you are an accountant or another person in a different law firm needs access to a specific document. You can grant or deny access so granular right down into the specific document. So that is how we add people and grant access to whether entire records or entire minute books in Legal Kiosk or specific files.